Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on backup option here. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this tab with adding a Google account. You will skip it if you've got the Google account currently set and added to your device. You will have to just simply pick the one you've got saved. If you don't have any, just tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it, as you can see. So now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, now let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup. So you can use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, will store it, of course, securely, and you can manage the backup easily whenever you want to. So kind of check and the details and so on. So just tap on turn on. And we've been again transferred to the kind of backup storage, kind of backup section. Here you've got the backup details, so you can check which option is turned off or which data has been already backed up. And here we've got also the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to use this option turned off. Thanks to this, your device will simply use the Wi-Fi to back up the data, not your mobile data. And it is important because if it will use the mobile data, you can be charged for going over the limit, and so on and so on. So I highly recommend to do that. Here you can manage the storage. So for example, you can remove some files which you don't really need and they simply take the space. So you can manage it whenever you want to. And in order to actually start the backup, just tap on backup now. Of course, you have to confirm it with the screen lock, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. So basically, that's all. This is how to enable the Google Backup in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.